Hey guys, welcome to SK Digital Learners. So today I'm going to show you how to create pages in WordPress website. So basically there are 4 steps. Add pages from add new section. Step 2, add title and publish. Step 3, edit with Elementor. Step 4, add to primary menu and save. So let's see how we are going to add new pages. Okay, so first we will go to add pages, and then we will add new pages from here. So from here we will give the title as test, C T E S T, test page. Okay, so as you can see, in the website there is no test page out here, so I am adding the test page. So I have given the title and then publish. See, then publish once again. As you can see, the page is updating in the meantime. Okay, so the page is updated, and now we are going to the step 2, edit with Elementor. Okay, so the page is getting updated with the Elementor. Okay, so we are now in test page. Okay, it's getting loaded. It will take just couple of seconds. In the meantime we will see there is no test page out here. As you can see, no test page out here. Okay, so we are in the page. So first we will add and add new section. We will add heading as test. Okay, then we will add one new section out here. We will give we will add with text editor, and we will write something over here. This is test page. Okay, as you can see, I have already added over here, and now update. Okay, it's it's getting updated. Okay, now we will go get back to our dashboard. And now we'll go to the 4th step, to menu. So we are going back to the menu page. Where is the primary menu? We will add over there. So we will go to appearance, then menu. Okay, so over here from pages we will add this is a test page. We will add to menu. Okay, as you can see, the test page is added, and now we will save the menu. Okay, so in this way you can add the pages. And the last step is that we will refresh here. As you can see, the test page is added. Okay, I'm just going to check the test page now. Okay, so this is the test page, and the page is added over here. So basically what we do, we have 4 steps to follow. First step, add pages from add new section. Step 2, add title and publish. Step 3, edit with Elementor. Step 4, add to primary menu and save. Okay, so in this way I have added the pages in my website. Okay, so I hope you like the video. Please like, share, and subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching. Thank you.